Hey there, this is going to be a full walkthrough of a software called System.io. And System.io is a software that is going to help you to manage your subscribers, create funnels. It is an all-inclusive software that will help you do a lot of different things. So some of the features is you can create sales funnels. This has got a drag and drop sales funnel creator. It has got an email marketing system, so you can follow up with the people that have entered in their email to get information or get your lead magnet. You can create websites with this program. And it also, once you have an account, you can be an affiliate and build up affiliate income. You can create your own affiliate program. It's got full business automation, evergreen webinars you can do, online courses, blogging, and sell products. So why would I recommend System.io? Well, for a lot of people, some of these software for managing subscribers can get very expensive and very confusing. Confusing because you're trying to combine all these different softwares, maybe a funnel builder, and then you're trying to integrate an autoresponder to follow up with your subscribers, and then you're trying to, maybe have a separate membership site and people to log into that. How can you tell who's logged in, who's purchased, who's not? It all gets very, very confusing. And so people like systems or software that allow you to have everything all in one roof, under one roof, that's all fully integrated. So you don't need to worry about trying to integrate and connect all these things that may or may not work together. The other thing with this is you can use it as a funnel builder, so you can create your landing pages and all that kind of stuff. So not only follow up with subscribers, but create the actual landing pages. And so again, this is super handy. And as people get into affiliate marketing, one of the big issues is the expense of all these different software. So if you've got, 3 or 4 different software that you're trying to manage and make them all work together, the cool thing about System.io is that you can get started completely for free, and it stays free up to 2,000 contacts. Now, I have looked at autoresponder software that allows you to follow up with your subscribers. Autoresponder and Get Response, I think they're both free up to 500 subscribers. So this is a huge jump in the number of subscribers you can have and still have a free plan. You can send unlimited emails. Now, this again is super helpful because some of the other softwares are starting to put limits on the emails that are sent, and as your business grows, then there's more fees. You can have up to 3 different funnels. So if you've got 3 different products that you're promoting, you can have 3 different funnels. It's got up to 15 different steps. So a step is within a funnel, you've got your landing page, and then the bridge page, that would be 2 steps in the funnel. And I'll be showing all this to you. I'm going to walk you through step by step how it all works. You can have one blog and have unlimited blog posts. You can host one course with unlimited students, one community, unlimited community members, unlimited space. You can have one automation, and an automation is where you're telling the system, okay, if they opt into here or put their email in here, then add them to the following list or add this tag. And this is an area where you may find that you want to upgrade in order to create more rules so that it makes it easier to manage your subscribers. But in the beginning, you get one. So on the free plan, you get one. So all of these restrictions here on the free plan, it's perfectly reasonable. You're just starting out. This is enough to get you started. The email campaigns is another area where you may want to consider upgrading, because if you're promoting 3 different funnels for 3 different products, you would probably want 3 different email campaigns. And the fact that you can only have one is a little bit limiting. But again, if you're just starting out, maybe just promote one thing, get it going, and then you can decide what you want to do. So you can see here, you can go through and look at all of the integrations. There's tons of different integrations. You can run your own affiliate program, and you can be an affiliate for System.io as well. And the one thing about free migration, you can't do this with the free account, of course, because they would be losing money helping you get integrated if you're not paying anything. So up here at the top, you can see that as your business grows, then the price would also go up, which is perfectly reasonable because you're managing more subscribers. And so it's not like a huge jump all the way up to the top. It's going to step up gradually as your business grows. And compared to some other software that automatically already start you out up here for a starter account, this is a huge bonus. And the fact that you get 2,000 contacts for the free account is, again, simply amazing. So this is the pricing plan here. So let's go ahead and get into the system, and let me go ahead and show you about this software. So when you first log in, you can see across here all of the different sections. You can see the different plans here. And then the dashboard, you've got your main dashboard when you first log in. You've got the affiliate dashboard that talks about or shows you where you stand with your affiliate course. And the marketplace, there's different products that you can promote. This is where you would see the number of contacts that you have and the number of tags that you have. Pipelines is where you would set up this person once all the new leads would go into this portion, and then if they do take an action, then they would be moved to the next section. And if they take another action or you take an action, then they're moved on to the next one. So that's what a pipeline is. You can integrate this with calendars, and as you can see, I haven't done that. So you can integrate this with calendars. So if you are setting appointments for coaching or things like that, you can do all of that here. The websites that I talked about, you can set up one blog. You've got sales funnels, and you've got different stores. So you can set up a store for something. Then the emails that you can do, the newsletter is like a broadcast, something that you would send to all your subscribers, like, hey, Merry Christmas, everybody. That would be like some people call it a broadcast. A newsletter goes out to the specified group that you say. A campaign is something that is automated so that you have it set up. As soon as someone enters their email address, they're going to be entered onto this list, and then the first email is going to be the thing that they signed up for, and then in 4 hours they're going to get an email, and then in 12 hours they're going to get another email, 12 hours another email. So a campaign is very automated. It's all set up on how much time in between emails and what's going to happen at different steps. And then with your emails, you want to check the statistics. You can see how your emails are doing. So if you have an email that is not performing very well, you can rework it or reword it to try and get better open rates. You can change the headline, the thing that people see when the email comes into their inbox. So this is all very adjustable. Automations and rules. The workflow again shows, when someone comes in, they're going to get this email, and then it's going to be a certain amount of time, and then they're going to get the next email. If they click, then this happens. If they don't, then that happens. So workflow is basically your customer's journey. And you can set up rules to manage this. Products, you can have different physical products or courses, communities. I haven't used this much. Sales shows transactions and subscriptions, different affiliate invoices, and your affiliate program. And of course, if you need help from support, you can always push the button there. Let's go ahead and get into sales funnels, which I've got here. And I'm going to be giving you a copy of this funnel so that if you want to start out with a funnel that's already created, all you need to do is modify it for your offer. So this opt in here to get the email address, with some changes for your offer, can work with just about anything. And then there's two options here for different bridge pages that you can use. Thing with this system that is so awesome is that it's a drag and drop funnel builder. It is very easy to use. So you can see, actually, I'm going to go back and I'm going to clone this page so I can actually make some changes. So save changes, and let's go ahead and get out of this here, and we're going to go to add a step. Name is going to be Oh, actually, we want to duplicate this. Copy of this funnel step. Yes. Okay, so share funnel opt-in, and then it says copy. So you know which one is the copy. So let's go ahead and edit this page here. So here, this is just what we call a drag and drop editor. It just makes it super easy. So if you want to add some text, you can put that in there. And then you can, type whatever. You can change the font size, and you can see the changes immediately. So you can say, oh, I really like that, I'm going to keep that. Oh, I don't like that. You can change the color. There's text backgrounds. If you wanted to put in a different background, you can do that there. So it's very easy to modify. If you wanted to add, say you've got a video that you want to add, you can just drag that in, put that in there, and then with the settings, which is this cog right here, that you would click that, and you can say, you can direct link it to a video, you can do a custom embed, which means you have a code that you put in there, or you can actually upload a video to system.io and link it from there. So there's a lot of adjustability with this program. You can add different boxes. This here, you can say submit the form and then send them to a custom URL, which would be your affiliate. So the button, you want to get it to open the form so that you can collect an opt-in or get the email address. So here's your form here. This is where they would enter in their email address, and then when they click this button, let's go ahead and go to there. And so when they click the button, you can decide whether you want them to come to the bridge page, which is the next page in the funnel, or get sent directly to your affiliate offer. So if you want to go to the affiliate offer, you pick this custom URL, and then you would put in your affiliate link right in there. If you're going to go to a bridge page, that would be the next step. The bridge page is basically, well, actually, let's go ahead and I don't want to save the pages. So a bridge page is a page where you might have a video where you talk about the benefits of what they're going to see, or, hey, thanks for your interest. On the next page, you're going to be seeing such and such a program, and I've gone through it, and this is what I really liked. And if you need any help, you can click the calendar button down below and schedule a one-on-one conference with me. So you can add whatever information you want to the bridge page. And so you can see here there's a headline. You can change that to be whatever you want it to be. And then you would upload your video, which would be a video for you. And then you could say, hey, if you want more information on this, click this link down here. And you would get your copy of this. So there's a lot of adjustability with this funnel opt-in, couple of bridge pages that you can modify. And system.io is so easy to use. And then with the emails, there are some steps that would need to be taken here. So let's go ahead to main dashboard. Actually, let's go to settings. So in the emails, then you're going to want to have a verified email address so that your emails go through. And you can authenticate your domain, again, to make sure that your emails are delivered appropriately. This is my tester account here, so I haven't done a whole bunch with it, although I do have some funnels in here that I can use for demonstration purposes. System.io is super easy to use. It's very beginner friendly, and price wise it is super friendly because, like I said, you get the 2,000 contacts without having to pay. And so this gives you the opportunity to grow your email list